Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Liliko, helping enhance your travel adventures. I'm in my first Airbnb, so I wanted to do a quick run through of what exactly I got. I'm in Brisbane, which is in Queensland, Australia, and I've just walked in, so before I mess it up, here's a quick run through. So it's just a studio room, so I've just walked in the door and this is my view. To the right is a very small kitchenette, which is totally perfect. Microwave, can have a cup of tea, fridge, like just beautiful, and dishes as well. Into the bathroom. Yay, I can have a bath, oh my goodness. Lovely seat out where I can put my suitcase. Living space, all in the one, and a small balcony area that overlooks the pool. As I said, I used Airbnb to find this place, and fortunately it's so close to where my friends are staying, so it's worked in fabulously. I had no idea at the time of booking that it was part of an actual hotel and it's just a private unit within it, but I feel like I've scored big time. It's exactly as the photos said it was. The owner has been beyond helpful in terms of contact the week before me arriving, and really impressed. I will definitely use Airbnb again because this has been a phenomenal stay and I have really enjoyed my time. It's cheaper than staying in the actual hotel, but I'm still getting the hotel facilities as part of the stay, so winning on all sides. I do recommend using Airbnb. Give it a go. Yes, the thing is, in Australia you do usually need a car because places are far